Hi, everyone. My name is Ryan.
And I'm Mia.
Welcome back to our Slow and Easy English podcast.
Today is a little special for me
Really? Why?
because today, Ryan is taking me to his favorite restaurant.
That's right.
And honestly, I'm a little nervous
Nervous? Why?
because I want to order food in English by myself today.
Ah, I see.
Sometimes restaurant English feels scary to me.
That's completely normal.
What if I make a mistake?
Mistakes are okay.
Really?
Of course. One time I accidentally ordered 5 coffees.
5 coffees?
Yes.
Ryan,
The waiter looked very confused.
that's actually so funny.
So, trust me, small mistakes are not a problem.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Good. And today we will learn restaurant English together.
Slowly.
Naturally and
And in a fun way.
exactly.
Okay, everyone, let's go to the restaurant.
I'm already hungry.
Me too. I didn't eat lunch today.
Big mistake.
I know. My stomach is crying right now.
Mine too.
So, Ryan, what kind of restaurant is this?
It's a small Italian restaurant.
Oh, fancy?
Not too fancy.
Good. Fancy restaurants make me nervous.
Why?
Too many forks and spoons.
Honestly, same.
I never know which spoon to use.
I just copy other people.
That's actually smart.
Here we are.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful, right?
Yes, the lights are so warm.
And listen to the music.
It feels calm here.
I love this restaurant because it feels cozy.
Cozy. That's a nice word.
Cozy means comfortable and warm.
Ah, then yes. This place feels very cozy.
Let's go inside.
Okay,
Oh, wow. It smells amazing.
I can smell bread and soup.
And pasta, too.
Suddenly, I'm very hungry now.
Same.
Hello. Welcome to Bella Italia Restaurant.
Hi?
Table for 2?
Yes, please.
Table for 2.
Good job repeating.
I'm practicing already.
Please follow me.
Thank you.
This table looks nice.
I like sitting near the window.
Me too.
Oh, look. The restaurant is busy.
That usually means the food is good.
True.
Here are the menus.
Thank you.
Okay, Mia. Ready?
Maybe.
Don't worry. Let's look at the menu together.
Oh, wow. There are so many things here.
Yeah, sometimes menus can feel confusing.
What is appetizer?
Good question.
I see that word a lot.
An appetizer is small food before the main meal.
Oh, like soup or salad?
Exactly.
Okay. Then what is main course?
The main course is the big meal.
Like pasta or pizza?
Yes.
And dessert is sweet food after the meal, right?
Perfect.
Wow. I'm learning already.
You really are.
This tomato soup sounds delicious.
It does.
And look at this pasta.
Cream pasta?
I love creamy pasta.
I'm thinking about pizza.
Really?
Yeah, this restaurant makes amazing pizza.
Should I get pasta or pizza?
The hardest question in life.
Ha ha ha.
Honestly, both are good choices.
Okay. I think I want pasta.
Nice.
Oh, wait.
What happened?
What does spicy mean again?
Spicy means hot food with strong flavor.
Okay.
Do you like spicy food?
A little.
Same. Too much spice destroys me.
Haha. Same here.
Oh, look. The waiter's coming.
Oh no.
Relax. You can do this.
Are you ready to order?
Yes.
What would you like to drink?
I'll have iced tea, please.
Of course.
Mia,
Um,
take your time.
can I get orange juice, please?
Certainly.
Nice job.
Really?
Your English sounded natural.
Oh, thank goodness.
And what would you like to eat?
I would like the chicken pizza, please.
Great choice.
Thank you.
And for you?
You got this.
I would like the cream pasta, please.
Excellent choice.
Thank you.
Would you like an appetizer?
Yes, 1 tomato soup, please.
Perfect.
We did it.
You did it.
My heart was beating so fast.
That's normal,
But honestly, speaking English feels good.
because you're growing.
Maybe.
Not maybe, definitely.
That makes me happy.
English is like going to the gym.
Huh?
At first, everything feels difficult,
True.
but little by little, you become stronger.
Wow. I like that metaphor.
Thank you.
Oh, the soup is here.
But that was fast.
It smells amazing.
Careful, it's hot.
I know.
You always burn your tongue.
Hey,
Ha ha ha.
okay. Let me try.
How is it?
Mmm,
That good?
so good.
I need a bite too.
The soup is warm and fresh.
Perfect for today.
Oh no,
What happened?
it's hot.
I warned you.
I never learn.
Some lessons take time.
Like English.
Exactly.
Oh, look, here comes the pizza and pasta.
Finally.
Wow, this pasta looks beautiful.
And this pizza smells incredible.
Okay, first bite.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm,
Oh, wow.
this pizza is amazing.
My pasta is so creamy.
Want to try my pizza?
Yes, please.
Here.
Mmm, that's really good.
Can I try your pasta?
Of course.
Wow.
Right?
That's delicious.
Food makes people happy,
It really does.
especially good food with good company.
Oh,
What?
that sounded sweet.
Ha ha ha.
Hey, Mia. What words did you learn today?
Menu.
Nice.
Appetizer.
Good.
Main course.
Perfect.
Dessert.
Important word.
Very important word. Also, spicy, waiter, and order.
Amazing.
Oh, and table for 2.
Excellent memory.
I actually feel more confident now.
That's the best feeling.
At first, I was scared.
And now,
Now I feel proud.
you should feel proud.
Maybe next time I can order coffee in English too.
Definitely.
Baby steps.
Exactly.
Oh, Ryan,
Yeah,
I'm full.
me too.
That was amazing.
Should we ask for the bill?
Okay, I want to try.
Go for it.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Can we have the bill, please?
Of course.
Wow.
What?
Your English sounded so natural.
Really?
Really.
That makes me so happy.
See? One conversation can build confidence.
I think many listeners feel nervous like me,
Probably.
but everyone listening right now,
You can do this too.
slowly,
Step by step.
you don't need perfect English,
You just need courage to try.
and mistakes are okay.
Very okay.
Before we go, let's review today's words one more time.
Menu,
Appetizer,
main course,
dessert,
waiter,
order,
bill.
and table for 2.
Perfect.
Okay, everyone, now we have a question for you.
What is your favorite restaurant food?
Pizza, pasta, burgers, noodles.
Tell us in the comments.
And have you ever ordered food in English before?
We would love to hear your story.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the channel.
And join us again for more slow and easy English conversations.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We're proud of your progress.
Keep practicing
Keep smiling.
and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Everyone.